edition of Osmo Fashion and Entertainment. My name is Mori, and today I want to show you how to make structures in minutes. Let's go! You too can do spend money on everything. Just go and do it yourself. DIY.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.